All right, now that NordVPN is installed, check out how easy this is to get started. When I click Quick Connect in the top right, NordVPN finds the fastest server available nearby and locks down my connection. Just like that. Fast, private, and protected in seconds. Honestly, I wish everything else in life was this simple. So what does this actually do? When you click Quick Connect, NordVPN encrypts your internet traffic and routes it through a secure server. That means your IP address and online activity are now hidden from your internet provider, hackers, or anyone snooping on public Wi-Fi. If you ever want to turn off the VPN, you can simply click the disconnect button. Quick Connect is a really easy way to simply turn your VPN on and connect to the nearest server. But what if you want to connect to a server in a specific location? You can do that in a couple of ways. Here you can see there's a map of the United States. So if I wanted to connect to a server in Florida, I could simply click on Miami. And just like the Quick Connect button, it'll automatically connect me to a server in Miami. Now, you can also connect to a different country. You could do that by scrolling on the map and finding a different location, or finding one from the list on the left. For example, if I wanted to connect to a server in Italy, I could type Italy in, and then click on Italy from the list. And just like that, I'm transported to Italy. No passport or plane tickets required. Pretty cool, huh?